Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hindi Gyan Manch. In this video, we shall learn A ki matra, chapter number 3. If you have not subscribed this channel, I request you to subscribe. In the previous video, we have learned about Hindi alphabet and its link is in the description box. Friends, we start this chapter. So as I told, this is A ki matra. A ki matra. If you want to pronounce this A, you have to open your mouth properly. After that, you can pronounce A, and in all letter we can see this A ki matra is used. So now we can start. The first letter is Ha. I have written here English word also. Ha, H-A-A, ha. Na, N-A-A, na. You can read with the help of English letter. Na, N-A-A, na. Ma, M-A-A, ma. La, L-A-A, la. Na, N-A-A, na. Tha, T-H-A-A, tha. Ka, K-A-A, ka. Ta, T-A-A, ta. And ga, G-A-A, ga. I repeat, ha, na, ma, la, na, tha, ka, ta, ga. You can see here A ki matra has been used in every letter. That's why we are reading ha, na, ma, la. Now you can see here there are some pictures and some names have been given here in Hindi. I have written here Hindi in English and its English meaning both. So you can learn to see, to read both. Hindi hath, H-A-A-T-H. You can write H-A-T-H also. So H-A-A-T-H, hath in Hindi, and English meaning hand, H-A-N-D, hand. The hand means in Hindi hath. Next, naak, N-A-A-K, naak. Its English meaning is nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Then mala, M-A-L-A, mala. Its English is necklace. I forgot to write here, but its English is necklace, and in Hindi mala, M-A-L-A, mala. Tabla, T-A-B-A-L-A-A. You can write L-A also, tabla. You can say in English drum, and you can write tabla also. Next is anar. You can see anar, A-N-A-A-R, anar. In English pomegranate, P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate means in Hindi anar. Next is thal. In Hindi thal, T-H-A-A-L, thal. In English meaning plate, P-L-A-T-E, plate. Next, kaan, K-A-A-N, kaan. In English ear, E-A-R, ear. Next, tala, T-A-L-A, tala. Or in English lock, L-O-C-K, lock. And lock is called in Hindi tala. Next is gamla, G-A-M-A-L-A-A. You can write here L-A also instead of L-A-A. And English meaning is flower pot, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower P-O-T, pot. Then gajar, G-A-J-A-R, G-A-A-J-A-R and G-A-J-A-R. You can write gajar. Its meaning, English meaning is carrot. So this is the first page of lesson 3 A ki matra. Now we can read second page. Second page. Now we read. I am here trying to write these all words, Hindi words in English alphabet that help you to read properly in Hindi as well as English meaning also. First is aam. You can see here aam, A-A-M, aam, and English is mango. Second is naam. English is name. Naam you can write like you can speak. You can read like this, N-A-A-M, naam. Third is dal. Dal means pulses. Dal, D-double-A-L and D-A-L, both you can write. Fourth, hair, bal, B-double-A-L, bal, hair. Bada, big. Big means in Hindi, bada. You can read B-A-D-A, bada. Lada, fout, F-O-U-G-H-T. Fight, past tense is fout. So F-O-G-H-T, fight, fout means lada, L-A-D-A या D-double-A, lada. Then kaksha, in English it is called class, C-L-A-S-S, class. And in Hindi, kaksha. You can adjust this video. And yes, kaksha, class, C-L-A-S-S, class. Kaksha, K-A-K-S-H-A, kaksha. Then raksha, in English it is called protect. Raksha, in English alphabet, R-A-K-S-H-A, raksha. Raja, raja means king, R-A-J-A, raja means king. Baja, band, B-A-J-A, baja, band. Dada, grandfather. Dada is called in English grandfather, D-A-D-A, dada. Nana, nana means mother's father. Dada means father's father. Okay, so we can say nana also. So there is N-A-N-A, nana. Next is agya. Agya means order, adesh, order, A-A-G-Y-A, agya. Chadar, chadar means in English bed sheet. In Hindi, chadar in English alphabet, C-H-A-D-A-R, chadar. Badal, cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud, B-A-D-A-L, badal. Makan, home, H-O-M-E, home. Makan in English, home. And Hindi, in English alphabet letter, M-A-K-A-N, makan. Akash, sky, asman, akash, A-K-A-S-H, akash. Aram, in English, rest, R-E-S-T, rest. A-R-A-M, aram. Next is halwai. Halwai is called in English confectioner, C-O-N-F-E-C-T-I-O-N-E-R. Confectioner means halwai, those who made sweets. Bhagwan means God, God, B-H-A-G-W-A-N, Bhagwan. Tomato, in English, tomato. In Hindi, tomato. And written in English letter T-A-M-A-T-A-R, tomato. Next is janwar. In English, animal, A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. In Hindi, in English letter janwar, J-A-N-W-A-R, janwar. Samachar, in English we tell news. And in Hindi, S-A-M-A-C-H-A-R, samachar. Samajdar, in English meaning, Samajdar, English meaning is sensible, S-E-N-S-I-B-L-E, sensible. Samajdar, S-A-M-A-J-H-D-A-R. So friends, this is the second page of chapter number 3. I request all of you to learn this these all words 2 or 3 times and write in your notebook and practice more than 2 or 3 times. It will help to learn Hindi properly. So now there are some pictures. Now you can identify the pictures and write the proper name. This is mango. You can say, you can identify this is mango. A mango is called in Hindi aam. You have to write here aam. This is king. King means raja. You have to write here raja. This is cloud. Cloud means badal. So badal, you have to write here badal. This is newspaper. So this is news, samachar. You have to write samachar. This is bal. So there is a bal. Bal means in English here you have to write here bal. This is baja. Baja means band. You have to write here baja. This is makan. Makan means home. You have to write here makan. And this is tomato. Tomato means tomato. You have to write here tomato. Okay friends, in this video you have learned about chapter number 3. Next video we shall read about chapter number 4, Madhav, Manav. Thank you.